This is Samsung Propane Cooktop or stuff. So basically, as you can see, these are the propane burners. So you have the light option. As soon as you put this, you can see that the flame is on currently. Now let us test one of the default ones. So this one is not working. As you can see, this is for the small burner over there. I am unable to turn this. So when this is the issue, what you need to do is first you need to check whether it is broken or not. So as you can see, this small piece is supposed to be over here and it is broken. That means you need to replace this particular knob. Let me show you how the working knob looks like. Now as you can see, it has a plate inside and this is not broken. You can just place it back over here when you get a new knob and this should work. So the flame is on. This is the working knob and this is the broken knob. This is the broken piece. You would have to replace this knob. So I have bought a new knob. As you can see, I would be just pushing it this way and then now it should work. Okay, let's see how every knob will be working. Put it on light and the flame will be on. You see this? Put it on light and this is on, and then put it on light and this is on, and put it on light, this is going to be on. So this is Samsung propane stove or cooktop. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.